Hey guys, welcome back. So in the previous lecture, we talked about a lot of stuff regarding URLs view, but now it is time to talk about templates. So as you know, we have divided our project into different sections. Each section is referred as app. Now each app, that is each section, will have its own template. So if I talk about the task page, it will have a different look. If I talk about our home page, it will have a different look. And if I talk about our daily diary page, it will have a different look. So the first thing I need to talk about is how to get started. So at this point of time, I'm just returning a HTTP response here. So I want to render a template page. For that, I need to create a HTML page first. So just create a new folder called as templates. And remember, it will always be called as templates because it is a Django structure, as I have talked about. And as we follow along with the course, you will realize that what name is important and what is not. Like this will always be called as admin, this will called as apps. So this folder will be called as template. And here I need to create 3 folders. First will be CSS, second will be JavaScript, third will be images, and then the fourth will be we can create all the HTML files. So let me create it. We are not going to add anything. It is just a method to explain you about the importance of template and the folder structure. Now let me create a HTML file on which we will be rendering this. So let me create a HTML file. And I would call it as task.html, or I can call it as to-do-list.html, whatever I want. So this looks fine. Here I am doing just a small thing. I would be using h1 tag and write a welcome message. This looks fine. Now we have a HTML page here which is called as to-do list. We can call it as task or whatever we want. So this is our template folder inside our app. Now here I need to change my response. So instead of HTTP response, I would be trying to render my template. So I would be using render, and I need to pass my request and then my HTML page, and then if I need to send any content. At currently I'm just sending request as well as template, and my content would be empty. So content would always be accessed in the form of dictionary. Let us keep it empty for now and understand our template part. So this looks fine. Now we have changed this one. Let me run my server and check my task page. Yeah, this worked fine. And if I open my template again, check my HTML page and change something here, save this one, come back here and refresh, you would see it's working fine. So now I am able to connect with my templates as well as my HTML page. Now think it as a project way. Now each app will have certain files that is related to them only. Like if I talk about these files, these are related to only this particular app. I have talked about templates, this is related to this particular app. Now in future, if we create more apps, we need to perform similar step. We need to create a template folder for that particular app. Now here is a catch. There would be some common files. Common files like there would be some common images, there would be some common structure. So if I talk about amazon.com, you would see there is some common structure. Even if there are different applications, like if I open the gift card section, if I open the seller section, you would see there is a common header which is common for all. So there are different applications, but this header is common. You would also realize the same with footer. So on the all 3 different apps of Amazon, there is something common which is called as common templates, the common files. So Amazon logo would be common on all applications. Even if I open amazon.com, its seller page, its login page, everything, this is the common part. So we have to create a common folder in the main directory, and rest everything will be inside our app directories. So if there is some template for this particular app, it is going to be inside this, but there will be a common folder in which we will be keeping the different common items. I hope till now everything is clear. We are moving with a great pace with lot of knowledge, and I hope you are able to consume everything. In the next lecture, let us talk more about this. See you in the next one.